Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner. And this video has been a long time coming, but I've been promising a tour of my office for forever. So I figured today I'll just take you around and show you everything. So,
All right, here's my desk area. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the room and then we'll go into things in detail. So I have my desk over here, and then I have kind of a wall of these cube units. There's a little table over here. And then I stand on the other side of the couch. You can see that the rest of the room is just our family's living room area with the TV and everything. So this is where the family hangs out. And I pretty much just took over a corner of the room. And over here, this is stuff that needs to be taken care of yet, and it's just in limbo. But that is Hogwarts on top. I did build that last Christmas. And then I have all my Disney figurines on the top of the shelves right now. I don't know if they're going to stay there. It's a little cluttered for me, but I will point out a few for you guys. So here is Tinkerbell. She actually has lights on. I just need to replace the batteries and the whole box will light up with her in it, which is really fun. We have, a little tribute to Peter Pan here. Then we have kind of my Steamboat Willie here and just miscellaneous figurines along here. I do really, really love this one. So I love the teacups at Disney, and so a friend got this for me and it's really cute. I love the Minnie there too. And then we have Madame Mim here and a couple other sword in the stone little guys. And then this is actually the cake topper from my wedding, which is really fun. And just a few other little figurines. I think they're all really fun. Just to give you a quick overview, like over here is where I kind of house all of my camera stuff. And then we have all of my pin stuff for my pin channel. And then I just have some books and that kind of thing through here. And then this unit is nothing but planning stuff. And we have planning stuff over here. And I'm going to go into that in a detail in just a minute. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I come down here, the first thing you'll see in this is that I have a few of these acrylic bins. I think they came as a set. Maybe there were 3 of them, but they're just, the clear acrylic bins. I think I got them from Home Goods or something. And they fit my Happy Planner sticker books perfectly. So this one has all of my normal, I'll say, Happy Planner books and some miscellaneous books in here for stickers that I picked up. And then next to it, I have these pads. So if I want any of those, they're right there. And then there's little journals in there. And then down here on the back, there's some paint stuff. But for the most part, we just have little pads in here. So these are Simply Gilded ones. And then these 2 are Arian Conjurin ones. And then this was just something cute a friend sent to me that's really there's a couple of these little ones and then a Peanuts one that I just use that when I need to take notes or something. Then down here, this is all of my, what I'll say, miscellaneous stickers are in here. Things that are maybe, like Harry Potter stickers are in here, or oops, sticker packs where I only got 1 sheet or something go in here. Then if we switch to the cubes right next door, we have my washi. So I have 2 of these stacked on top of each other. So they kind of look like one unit, but you can find them. So craft stores have them, but you can also look in jewelry departments. I think these ones I ordered off of Amazon and they just house my washi really well. I have my undo on this side, and then on this side are my washi swatch books. So I can kind of peek at things if I want to. Then down here below we have, these are journals. I plan on using them all one day when I have more spare time. And then this bin is full of Disney stuff. So these are Disney washies that someone sent me. And then I have Happy Planner stickers there behind, which are really nice. Then we get to this area. This is where all my we'll have to qualify this. This is where some of my albums live because I have a lot of stickers at this point. So I have some binders that I use. These came from Staples and they just have little sleeves in them. And then I have a couple of these are all like general use type stuff. So like scripts and giving girl boxes. And then these are all categorized by different things. Like that's a Paper Dolls Co. one there. And these are florals. And this is White Deer stationery here. And then down here, I have some more albums. I have a couple of smaller albums. These came from Scribble Prince Co. This is a Ray and Tay one. And I think this one probably came from Sadie Stickers. The cubes were from either IKEA or Target, depending on which one, but they all just are kind of uniformed. And then I have this unit, which came from IKEA. I can't remember the name of it, but it's just the one with the really big drawers. In the top drawer, I have all my albums that came from Simply Gilded, and all of these house different things that I can pull out for any layout that I'm doing. So it's things like dangles and garlands and stuff, and date dots and decorative boxes and that kind of thing. Then in this drawer houses all of my bigger albums that have all my sticker kits. So these are organized mostly by season. So this is like fall, this is Christmas. I want to say this is anytime over here. This is spring. This one I think is summer, that kind of thing. And then if we go to the next one down, so these are inserts for this next year actually. And then I just have some like storage stuff here, some days of the week. Well, actually, I keep these separate. These are the bigger size ones that I got off of Amazon. And so they just house in here pretty nicely. And then this is just albums that will be coming into use very shortly. And then this drawer has like leftover sticker papers in here. We have our Archer and Olive pens, which I don't use very often, but they're really fun to play with. And then these bins over here are both filled with like pens and stuff, so I can find those. And then this is just leftover packaging. And then the next drawer is diamond paintings, because I do enjoy doing that. And I think there's some embroidery in there too. And then the final one is paint by numbers for me. Those are my relaxing things. On top here, I do have these two little bins. They were originally going to be like a little trash can on my desk. That didn't work out, so still a work in progress. These are washies that just need to go and be put away. This is an album with stuff for my Hobonichi. I'll show you where I store that in a second. And then these are just the subscription kits that I've gotten in so far this month that I've opened with you guys. So as far as the desktop goes, I have my little fan from Costco. I love this little guy. I use it constantly because my temperature fluctuates so much. And then some of these are still out from last night. I was working on a little something. But we have like this little guy is just one of those clay things that you can put drops of essential oil in to make things smell good. So I have him there. I have a little Mickey there. And then this is a framed print from, I think it was Peach Palm made this. And I just really, really loved it. So I framed it up. And then I have drawers here on the side. Now these are the Alex units from IKEA. So I have two that are in this configuration and one that has a bigger drawer. And then I hooked them together with, these are actually tabletops. And then we screwed them down so that they would be all level and everything. So that it's the 3 bottom units and 2 IKEA tops here. This is my book where all my scripts are in. Well, the other book of my scripts. These are the ones that I usually pull out. This is how I house trims. I will make a video going over all the different things I use for storing my stickers at some point. That's another little album over there. I just have a pencil board here because I was working in the Hobonichi last night. And up here I have my sticky note stacks. So these ones are all sticky notes, like Post-its, and these are just notes. Then I have this little Disney cup holder. It also holds my phone really well. So it works really well. So if I'm here and I'm watching a video, it works great. I don't know what this was called, but I did get it off the Shop Disney website. And then I just have a nice simple lamp here. This came from Target. The thing I love most about this, other than it's just an easy no, pull, is it does have an outlet on the side, so I can plug in a charger there if I need to. I do have like these fairy lights up. I really love them. I do have more fairy lights that just came in to kind of connect and go along the rest of the wall here. So at some point, I'm planning on doing that. Then on the other side of the desk, this is my editing zone. So I have my headphones here. I have some notes for a video I'm working on. We have my computer, which is just on a little metal stand here. So I got that off of Amazon. It just lifts it up a little bit so that it has better airflow. I have two of these little dust pads that I love. These also came from Amazon. I think they were like 14 bucks or something. And then I have my Yeti microphone here for doing my voiceovers, which is really fun. And looks like my earrings from yesterday. Then we have, this is my Harriet Wright Designs planner. And it's just on a little stand here. I think this was from, Erin Condor, and I got this a while ago. And I think it's really awesome, actually. It's one of the few products from them that I've kept. And then I have just, a cup for water. This one is just housing some pens. So I have pens on the side. And then I have a little mail tray where all of my products that I need to unbox or whatever go before I film them. Then to just kind of step back and show you my wall here. So I have a art print over here that's framed of Gus and Jacques. Then I have several sets of ears on the wall because, that's a thing. This is a framed pin up here, which is really cool. I have a board here. Usually this houses pins, but currently it just has miscellaneous stuff. So we have like the calendar up there. We have Robin Hood, who I love. We have Ariel. We have Belle. Just kind of all kinds of miscellaneous things that have came with different things have gone up there right now. And then this case has some of my 5K medals, which I really like. And then I just have a Disney Store key that was from opening the Disney Store and a wishing star from Cinderella's Castle. And then we have a Thomas Kincaid, which I love Beauty and the Beast too, so it's very fitting. And that's kind of my wall over here. I do also have a J. I got that from Home Goods. So that kind of takes you through the area there. As far as these drawers go, like this middle one is kind of my just functional drawer. So I have a bin here of washi for the current time period. I have my leftover sticker books. I have a bin with like pens and such. I have a hole punch that I just got and some more scissors. And then this one has my planners for next year because these are going on deck later this month. And then this is stuff for my pen channel. And then that one's just full of miscellaneous things down there. And then over here, this is my kind of mental health drawer, I'll say. So it has things like these sticky notes for anxiety that say, this is making me anxious and this is what I can do about it. They're great reminders and a self-care little thing here and stuff. So just that kind of thing in there. This one has miscellaneous sticky notes and such. This one, these are covers and then vellum is in there and that's really all that's in that drawer, honestly. And this is just for my headphones. And I think this is mailing stuff down here. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. It makes a great space for me. And this room is kind of awkwardly shaped. So it works well and it functions pretty well. The only issues I have are if I'm trying to do stuff at my desk and the kids want to watch a movie at the same time, that can be an issue. But for the most part, it's cool. Anyhow, that's my office in a nutshell. If you guys have any questions about anything, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.